MP Rajya Sabha Dr. Rakesh Sinha hakasi hat majai daladi hiu lalik banya kendu ya Menteri Rangba ka jylla Konrad Kesang ma banya kren halor ka jing Saadin ha Kongthong ka shnong ka bapawnam keleng habakren bat kilat pathai kubor uteu MP ulayatho pamador hi Menteri Rangba ula batha ya katnan ban pen phano ya kilenti kisengkeng hakate kathan nalor bola penbena ban ai shiklur ban pen itnat yaki jaka jengok kai hagate ga than kawipat ka banta kabla pen pau kalong ban ai jingmut ya katnan badai pek jong ka sorkar pedeng baka di ban wat benia ya ka jinglong ten rai kabaya dei bat ka jingkan ot yau be jong kinong shong shnong ka Kongthong.
No, in fact, I am visiting regularly Kongthong, which I adopted. And some issues I found, and that's why I asked time, and he has given time. And we discussed 2 or 3 issues. One is connectivity from Shillong. Road should be reconstructed, and he immediately ordered reconstruction of the road. I am very thankful that he allotted 1 crore rupees for the Kongthong's tourism development, and he is very serious about the Kongthong's development. Third thing is that I extended my adoption to 3 more villages, and the cluster of 12 villages which they can form 1 cluster. Then there can be a cooperative system in which the broom industry and honey industry can be developed. So the actual benefits should go to the tribals. They are getting vestige of the benefit. The rest of the benefits go to the outsider. So I propose to the tribals to form the cooperatives, because Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has created a new portfolio of the cooperative, and that will be successful. Third is thing that Kongthong should be developed in such a way that Bollywood will prefer Kongthong. I compare Kongthong with Srinagar, and I find that if comparing from the Bollywood point of view, this is far better than Srinagar's site. That is important, good, but far better than that. So we have to create a situation, infrastructure and all these things, so that they should come. I am approaching the Bollywood people to come and see for their film. But my ultimate objective is to doing all these things with one paradigm, one line paradigm, protecting culture and nature. Nothing should be done which will disturb the local culture and local nature. Kongthong came into limelight when I adopted this village. Now internationally this village is known. 2 things I am proposing to the Ministry Government of India, and also I will solicit the support of the state government, that for others the whistling characteristic is a kind of curiosity and knowledge and entertainment. But for us it is a characteristic and civilizational thing. So a laboratory and museum should be established in Kongthong. And all other villages which are claiming that they are whistling villages, they should be attached to that. So there should be research and development of this whistling. They're also keeping records of the whistling, so that posterity should know. And we should protect it, one. Second thing, that we have to develop the sites in Kongthong, so that the tourism will increase and the earning from tourism will also increase. The empowerment of the economic empowerment of the people. What is that? I have gone to the many sites. So we can create a sunrise site, sunset site. We can also create a site where outsiders can come for picnic, for honeymoon sites, for picnic sites, for birthday sites, and everything would be basis on the commercial basis. Minimum charges will be taken, so that the people there will find employment, and no outside food would be allowed. Then local food industry will develop, local food will be popularized. So my every focus is protecting nature without disturbing nature, rather strengthening nature, and also protecting the food culture and other dimensions of culture.